Hello students. In today's class we are going to discuss about chapter number 2 class 7 nutrition in animals. The topic for today is teeth. Now you all know that in our whole body there are various organs that help us to move around. So one of them is our mouth who helps in the digestion process in our body. Now there are various parts and there are various organs which helps in the digestion process. And when we speak about digestion process, the first ever organ that comes into our mind is mouth. Now inside the mouth there are many organs like tongue, teeth, and many salivary glands. Now similarly today we are going to speak about the teeth. So our teeth cut, tear and grind the food before we swallow it. As you all know that when we talk about our teeth, so our teeth helps to cut, grind and make the food in the simpler process so that we can swallow it. So our body there are different types of in the set of the teeth there are different types of teeth. Now first type of the teeth is incisors. Now these are the flat and the chisel shaped teeth. So one thing that you have to remember about them is they are flat and they are chisel shaped. Now they lie in the front of the mouth. So in the front of the mouth, the teeth in the very front that you can see are the incisor. So there are 8 incisor teeth, 4 in the upper jaw and 4 in the lower jaw. Now in your mouth, you can see that there are 4 teeth in front and 4 teeth upside front. So there are total in all 8 teeth. Upper jaw has 4 and lower jaw has 4. The incisor teeth are well adapted for cutting and biting the food of food items. So this is the thing about incisor. They help to cut and bite the food items that we eat. This is the use of the incisor teeth. Now the next is about canines. Now they are round shaped, sharp and pointed teeth. So when you speak about canines, they are very much round in the shape, they are very sharp and they are pointed. So canines are well adapted to hold and tear the food. So when we speak about these type of teeth, they help in holding the food or tearing it. There are 4 canine teeth found in the human. So when we speak about canine, so they are 4 in number. So these teeth are just in adjacent to your incisors, the teeth that are very much sharp and are used to uh, hold the food and used to tear it apart. The next are the premolars. Now there are 2 premolars on each side of each jaw. When we speak about premolars, they are 2 in the number and they are each in each jaw, that means the upper part and the lower part. So premolars help in crushing and grinding the food. So these are at the back side, generally at the back side, and they are helped in crushing as well as grinding the food. So there are total 8 premolars teeth in an adult human. When we speak about the adult human beings, so the total premolars are 8 in number. Now the next are about the molars. When we speak about molars, so there are 2 molars on the both side and the both jaws. So there are 2 sides, that is right and left, and 2 jaws, that is upper jaw and lower jaw. So the molars are 2 in number. 2 molars upside, 2 molars downside. They have almost a flat surface with small projections. So these teeth are very much flat and they have small projections in the upper layer. These teeth are made for fine grinding of food. So what is the help of this teeth? So these teeth are helpful in finely grinding the food. There are total 12 molar teeth including the wisdom teeth in an adult human. So many a times you must have heard in your family members or within your friends that I am getting a wisdom teeth. So this type of teeth are generally called molars, and they are total 12 in number. The four molar teeth are also called wisdom teeth. Wisdom teeth usually grow between the ages 18 to 21. So the wisdom teeth generally comes into the human beings between the age of 18 to 21, not before that. The tooth is covered with a white substance called enamel. So an important thing that you must note here is enamel. This substance or the white substance, the tooth is covered with this substance. Now it is hard substance in the human body. So it is the hardest substance. So no one can break it easily. In the whole human body, these substances are very much hard. I hope this much is clear to you. Next, we are going to speak about milk teeth and permanent teeth. So, human gets two sets of teeth in their lifetime. In the whole lifetime of a human being, there are generally two sets of teeth. Now, the first set erupts when we are babies. So, generally, when you are small in the infant age, there are first set of teeth. These teeth are called milk teeth. Milk teeth last until we are about 8 years. So, milk teeth are those teeth which are generally in our body till we are 8 years old. Milk teeth are replaced by the second set of teeth which are called permanent teeth. So, there are then when the milk once the milk teeth of the babies get broken down, they are rejected from the body. Then comes the permanent teeth. Now, an adult human has 32 teeth in all, 16 in each jaw. So, there are 16 teeth in the upper jaw and 16 teeth in the lower jaw. So, there are total 32 teeth in the human beings which help us in our whole lifetime and which help us in the digestion process. So, here the topic for the teeth ends up. I hope this much is clear to you. We will meet in the next class. Till then, take care, stay safe, stay home.